It's been a while. I'm back. I've been sick, so if my voice sounds off today, that is why. What am I holding? Well, I am holding a device sent to me by today's sponsor, which is Miss Peachy Laser Hair Removal IPL at-home device. Now, Miss Peachy had reached out to me via Instagram, and we had kind of decided to do a little bit of a collaboration. Now, for those of you who do not know, I'm trans. The voice flip helps illustrate that. Part of being trans, at least being an AMAB trans individual who identifies as trans feminine, right? Or just trans woman, however you want to refer to it. Body hair is an issue for me personally. I can only speak from my own personal experience, but laser hair removal sessions at a spa are super duper expensive. So this is where Miss Peachy comes to the rescue. Now, the device is super duper sleek, comes with a nice big button, and you just press this and it will flash and it will remove hair slowly. Just like normal laser hair removal. Except this fits in the palm of your hand and you don't have to spend hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. This literally you can do in the comfort of your own bed. So, works pretty well from what I can see so far. I'm gonna be doing a 6 to 8 week review here in a bit. Once I've tested it out. And you guys will kind of see where I'm at and the results of the product. But so far, what I have used, it seems to work really, really well. Really no complaints. Yeah, and it comes with one heck of a snazzy pair of sunglasses to look like a celebrity. Okay.
Onward to today's video topic. Now, today's topic is going to be how to achieve a natural sounding male voice, part 3. Let me fix my hair really quick. Now,
we've talked about vocal tract length. We've talked about positioning of the velum/soft palate, creating more space within our first and second resonator, the throat, R1, R2, the oral cavity. Now,
in order to get a masculine sound, we need to create as much space within our throat and our mouth as possible, right? And this is going to help really kind of tone down the audibility of the higher harmonics that cause a voice to be identified as female or not masculine, for that matter. So the more space that you have, the less feminine you're going to sound.
Okay, now specifically today's topic, today's first voice masculinization topic is going to be harsh vocal onsets. Okay, so these can be a couple of different things. You can have like a vestibular fold engagement onset where you're like,
hey, how's it going? Hey guys.
Right? There's so many different shades of masculine sounds that you can get. And this is one of them. If you're, a voice actor, you want to go for more of a gruff type sound.
Hey.
Right? Now, this can convey kind of a sense of urgency when you have like,
hey.
Right? It's like, oh my God, look at me. It's good for getting attention. The way that you can do this is literally just imagine that you are on the toilet. I know it's quite the image, but imagine that you're on the toilet. Like you're really trying to push out the thing. So that's what you want to start with.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Right? Hey, how's it going?
Okay, awesome. So another way of translating gruffness is shortening S consonants. Now, a lot of the time when trans feminine, or I guess I should just say people who identify as female speak, the S consonant is oftentimes elongated, right? So if I'm saying, hey, how's it going, right? Versus,
hey, how's it going, right? You can hear the ow, the O vowel, how is accentuated more than the S consonant when I switch to the male voice. So,
hey, how's it going? Do you hear that emphasis on the S? Hey, how's it going? Versus,
hey, how's it going, right?
so this is another one of the things that you're gonna wanna do. You wanna shorten those S consonants. Now, another thing that you could do to help masculinize your speaking voice is speaking faster and more concise. Now, statistically speaking, women actually speak slower than men. So, a way to masculinize your voice would be speaking quicker, right? So when I'm talking and I'm explaining something as a teacher, everything is kind of slowed down.
But if I'm talking, in a male voice, like, hey dude, how's it going? You want to hang out today? You want to play some Call of Duty or whatever, right?
Versus, hey dude, do you want to play some Call of Duty later today, right?
Hey dude, do you want to play some Call of Duty later today?
Right? Completely different flow. Shorten your vowels. Do not elongate vowels. Okay? So not elongating vowels.
Not elongating vowels, right? You can hear that it's not even just the S consonant, or really consonants in general, that need to be shortened, but also the duration that we vocalize vowels for, right? Because men speak faster, so they're not going to take their time talking really, really slow. Unless they're Morgan Freeman or something, and then in that case, you're Morgan Freeman, so it doesn't matter.
Okay. Now, the last tip I have for y'all today is expanded vocal tract breathing. Now, a lot of the time, like we can create these different shades of gender perception with our voice, right?
We can do male,
We can do androgynous, we can do androgynous leaning female, we can do androgynous leaning male.
And of course, we can do female. Now, part of the issue is even if we are vocalizing in a different coordination, with a different vocal tract length than we
normally default to, right?
The issue is when we breathe, a lot of the time the vocal tract resets to its default resting position. And this is a problem because
If you're talking in a male voice, and then your larynx normally rests higher,
right, that doesn't sound exactly masculine. So part of conveying a masculine sound is making sure that not only when you speak the vocal tract is elongated, but also when you breathe, okay?
so
For doing,
normal male sound.
and then we breathe in. Now, make sure that you watch How to Achieve a Natural Sounding Male Voice Part 2 first before you do this. Soft palate should be raised. Right, really, really high uvula position. Now, the next thing that we have to look at is oropharyngeal shape. Now, for those of you who identify as feminine, this is going to be more of kind of a default thing that you probably naturally already do. Now, the way that we can get away from this is literally just doing this
Dope exercise. I've done it in previous videos. Dope.
not dopa, not dope.
Dope.
It's like right? Not
Dope.
And that will naturally widen your pharyngeal shape. When you make that kind of exaggerated yawn sound,
Dope. You can see how much space there is in the back of my mouth.
hey, 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 compared to the female sound, which everything shrinks down. Remember, more space equals more of a masculine sound. Less space equals more of a feminine sound. that is a wrap on today's video. Holy crap, I am exhausted. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in signing up
For private lessons to learn how to sound, whether it's male,
whether it's female, whether it's hyperfem,
Whether it's androgynous.
doesn't matter. We can help you here at NatFem Voice. So link to private lessons will be in the description. You can sign up on our website, https://natfemvoice.com. Mind the name, we do still offer all trans voice specialties.
masculinization,
Androgenization.
Feminization. Cool. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Also, leave a comment. The algorithm loves it, and so do I.